I'm here with Chef Hanifa from Maidan Hotel. Chef, what's on the menu today?
We have some delicious chicken parmesan.
We're making a beautiful, delicious chicken parmesan using Savia chicken breast. I will let you get started.
Right.
It sounds so good.
So we have chicken breast here.
So Chef is cutting the chicken breast in half and making a thinner piece.
Because by cooking here, it will help us to cooking time we can end it.
It makes the cooking time much faster when the chicken is thinner.
It's cut already.
Great.
Now I use one dry towel. So I want to soften this one, chicken breast.
The mallet, great. So Chef is now tenderizing the chicken by pounding it with the mallet, but the interesting technique is actually putting it under a towel. Why do you do that, Chef?
Because we can remove the moisture also one time.
So the moisture also is removed.
When we deep fry, how much we can reduce the water is better for the oil.
Sure.
So I turned on the oil already.
The oil's already preheated.
Now we can see the chicken much even and no water inside. For the marination I use, I have salt, pepper, everybody using normal. I have some herb mixture like rosemary and thyme. I have mustard, Dijon mustard, and some Cajun spice.
Wonderful.
So I start with some herbs.
So fresh herbs first.
And normal seasoning like salt, pepper.
You always have to season it with salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Very important, right, Chef?
And some pepper, white pepper. And I have some mustard.
A bit of Dijon mustard.
Yeah, because when we marinate, this one is better to do some oil here.
The oil will help all of the marination absorb into the chicken. Of course.
I have beaten egg now, and I have breadcrumbs here also. This is freshly grated breadcrumbs.
That makes a big difference too, right, Chef?
Yeah.
Make your breadcrumbs at home.
So I already coat with some flour. Now I dip in the eggs.
So flour, egg, breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
And then you're ready to fry. And what kind of oil did you use, Chef?
This is cooking oil. Mostly we are using sunflower oil.
Sunflower oil.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a beautiful golden brown color on there already.
It's almost golden brown.
Perfect. So we've got a nice golden brown coating and into the oven at what temperature?
We do at moderate temperature, like 180 or 200.
180. Okay.
So it's almost color is done. I will use one baking tray. Then we put some tomato sauce, Parmesan.
Wonderful.
Then we finish it off.
Let's do it.
We have tomato sauce. Because no need to put too much, so it will get soggy. So just little only for the flavor only.
You can always put some extra tomato sauce on the side when you're serving it if anybody wants to add additional.
Exactly. And
what's next?
Now I have Parmesan cheese here.
Ooh.
So this is the main things. So some people like cheese more, so I add little only for the flavor.
Great. A little touch of Parmesan.
So almost your preparation is done. Now we need to finish it up in the oven.
Okay, into the oven.
Alright, so chicken is on being ready.
Okay.
So I just want to make some
garnish.
accompaniments and garnish. Just want to put some 1 knob of butter.
And you picked a beautiful and colorful mix of vegetables. You can really use anything. You have here the squash and carrots
Exactly.
and zucchini, but you could use broccoli.
So this is already pre-boiled vegetable. Pre-boiled, you can enhance the color with like greens, red, so color.
Very colorful.
And I can add also some herbs. It's much giving flavor. So this also almost ready.
So even, chef.
Yeah.
All right, look at that. Wow, look at that gorgeous golden crust on the cheese. It looks amazing.
So I have some fresh basil here. So you can use some tips. Now it's ready.
I have to taste it now. I guess we'll just take a little piece from here. And I don't want to ruin the pretty plating.
All right.
Take a piece of the chicken and some tomato sauce. The chicken is perfectly crispy. The cheese is gooey and delicious, and the sauce complements it all. Well done, chef. It's Sadia Quick Fix Recipe Time, and I'm here with Chef Hanifa from Meydan Hotel. So what delicious recipe are you preparing for us today?
Today I have chicken drumette with hot Luciana sauce. I'm using chicken drumstick. It's a starter also.
Wonderful. Chef, I will let you get started. He's making a delicious chicken dish with Sadia chicken drumsticks.
Everybody knows this is Sadia chicken. I just cut it. I will choose 4 pieces. So now, just make like a lollipop style. So.
Ooh, we're gonna make chicken lollipops today. This is a new one.
This is not lollipop, but almost look like that. So I just want to make same way of this one.
So chef is just cutting all of the meat from around the bone first.
Now the preparation of chicken drumstick is ready. Now we need to get marination. This one. We have marination for mustard, Dijon mustard.
Great.
Salt, pepper. Salt we have. And this is optional, Cajun spice for improving the taste.
I think we should do the Cajun spices today. Let's spice things up here, chef.
And I have some mixed herbs.
Great.
It's also optional. We can make it simple, and so I start with some marination. The first thing is I put some oil. Any marination we do, we have to mix with some oil.
With a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
That will help the seasoning stick to the chicken and let
I
it
put
absorb.
some salts according to taste. Then I use some of herbs. This is a mixture of thyme and rosemary.
I think that's every chef's secret ingredient.
This is everybody likes also. And some Cajun spice. And a touch of some mustard. This is Dijon mustard, also improving the taste.
Mm-hmm. for, Chef?
We can marinate and keep around 30 minutes. But if it is managed by before the day, it's much better. So the meat also, all the marination flavors going inside the meat. So it's much tender. Now the first thing is, this is the process of baking and frying. So we need to bake first to get stiff.
So baking and then frying.
The
to
main
crisp
thing is
the
we need to
outside.
get shape. So for the shape, so it's look like this. We just hold like this and press in the palm like this. So we'll get the shape.
Oh,
Then we arrange in the tray. So we'll take a standing position. We can cover some the bones.
you can cover the ends so they don't burn while the chicken is baking.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now in the oven they go at 180
Clara.
degrees.
This one we can put in the 200 degree, around 15 minutes. So this we need to make a half done. So why we are doing this one? When it's put in the oven, it starts stiff. So if you are doing the fryer, it will never go in the shape change.
Okay,
So this
perfect.
what we are
So
doing.
another top tip from
So
Chef.
and
I'll-
put in the oven now.
Chefs prepared some for us earlier, but they cook about, what, 15 minutes
Yeah.
in the oven?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And they come out looking beautiful like this. Now, what's the next step?
So now I'm going to fry this one. So I put some remaining butter. So I just saute with this one butter.
And this is a julienne of carrots and cabbage.
Yeah. This one no need to saute it too much. Need just crispy vegetables. So
Yeah, just warm it up a little
just
bit
warm it
and
up,
add
yeah.
just a touch of
because
flavor.
we can use for salad also. So now the chicken is we can say almost done.
Ooh, looks
I-
crispy and
Yeah.
yummy.
Now I'm going to put the chicken in the sauce. I want to soak with sauce so the flavor will improve.
So it's going to get tossed in this delicious sauce. You want this?
It's okay.
All coated up in the delicious Louisiana.
Yeah. We are almost finished.
This is an adorable dish, Chef. I have to say, I really like the
Thank you.
chicken lollipops, and I'm even more excited to taste them.
Yes, please.
Tender,
Yeah.
falls right off the bone. That is a good chicken. I feel like I'm from Louisiana now.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chef. Delicious.